Hello students, welcome to AcadShala.
Let's roll on with 3R series, that is recall, revise, retrieve. Today we are going to see the working of an electric motor through simulations.
But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel AcadShala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all.
Now students, you should know also a little bit about electric motor. That is, an electric motor is a device that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy by utilizing the force received by a conductor through which a current flows in a magnetic field. Electric motors are used in many fields, from small motors to power plants in factories. The above simulation, that is this simulation, children, shows the principle of a simple DC motor. When current is applied to the coil, the direction of the current flowing in the coil's left and right parts are opposite. Therefore, the direction of the force which the coil receives is reversed and the coil rotates. The current direction is changed by the commutator every half turn of the coil. So the coil continues to rotate in the same direction. This we will see it with the help of this simulation right now. You should know everything, all parts of the electric motor, and then I will be showing you one by one how the magnetic field is there, how the current flows, and how the force is seen, and in which direction, and how the motor runs. So, electric motor works on the principle of the force experienced by a current carrying conductor in the form of coil of a wire when placed between the two poles of the magnetic field, as you're seeing on the screen, children. The direction of the force is given by Fleming's left hand rule. Now, children, you know the uses of electric motor also. These are used in electric fans. They are used for pumping water. Big DC motors are used for running tram cars. Small DC motors are used in various toys too. So you know all about the uses of also electric motor and how it works. But now we will be seeing it with the help of simulation. Now I will click on the magnetic field first. Now you're seeing the magnetic field is there. How the magnetic field is produced. So now you see it very, very minutely and very attentively on the screen. Your eyes should be on the screen. No disturbance here and there, please. Okay, I've clicked magnetic field. So magnetic field is there. How it is? See on the screen. Check out on the screen. Okay, now current is passed. Okay, how students see how the current is passing? See the arrows. How the arrows are there. That is the black ones over here with the color black. You see the arrows. See the magnetic field in greens. So intentionally we are showing you with the help of colored ones so that it makes very easy, to learn the concept. Okay, force. Now you're seeing the force, how it is applied, children. Now you see, first I have done the magnetic field, green lines. Current flowing, black arrows. Force applied, see, downwards and upwards. Now get set, go. I am running the motor. Yes. Now watch, children. How the electric motor is running. Step by step, we have the magnetic field, current, force applied, and then the motor starts running. So with the help of simulation, you can understand how the DC motor works. So current in the coil, that is ABCD, as you know it, enters the source battery through the conducting brush and flows back to the battery through brush Y, that is from X to Y brush. The current in the arm AB of the coil flows from A to B and from C to D in arm CD. On applying Fleming's left-hand rule for the direction of force on a current-carrying conductor in a magnetic field, we find that the force acting on arm AB pushes it downwards, as you're seeing on the screen, children. The arm AB pushes it downwards, while the force acting on arm CD pushes it upwards. At half rotation, Q makes contact with the brush X and P with brush Y. Therefore, the current in the coil gets reversed and flows the path DCBA. I've given the names, children. Okay. So A, B, C, D and all that we have done, in the previous videos also. So this is just a brushing of the concept, taking the topic for you of electric motor. Otherwise, the detailing and all we have done. So you will understand these concepts in the 3-hour series if you have done the syllabus thoroughly, and only the brushing the concepts will make you understand in a better way. That is, revising before the exams will make your concepts brushed up very nicely. So this is the simulation of an electric motor which you're watching. So once again, I would like to show you. So if you can, so go through how it works. So this will really help you a lot, children, in making the concepts very clear and implementing in your exams. So let's get started once again, children. Okay, magnetic field, correct. Okay, current. Okay, force. Okay, run. Okay, so it's running now. The electric motor is running. So magnetic field, current, force applied, and the motor starts running. So this is the way through the simulation you can understand how the motor works. It is in front of you, right in front of you on the screen again. So with this, children, I wind up the session. Please take care. Do your exams very well. Grab the marks. God bless. All the best. Bye-bye.